Bay windows are a beautiful and functional addition to any home. With their classic look and ability to create a spacious, airy feel, they have become a popular choice for Dallas homeowners. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic of your home, but they also provide practical benefits, such as increasing natural light, offering better views, and improving your home's curb appeal. However, there are several styles of bay windows to choose from, each offering its unique charm and functionality. In this article, we'll explore the different styles of bay windows available for Dallas homes and help you choose the best one for your space and needs. Traditional bay windows. The traditional bay window style is the most common and instantly recognizable type of bay window. This style consists of three sections: a large central window that projects outward from the wall, flanked by two narrow side windows that are angled at around 30 to 45 degrees. The result is a comfortable alcove or sitting area inside the room. Traditional bay windows offer panoramic views of the outdoors and allow plenty of natural light to flood into the room. This style is perfect for homes with a classic or traditional aesthetic, and it works well in living rooms, dining rooms, or even kitchens. In Dallas, where the weather is often sunny and warm, a traditional bay window can help bring the outdoors in, making your home feel more spacious and connected to nature. Bow windows. While similar in design to bay windows, bow windows are a more subtle, curved alternative. Instead of the sharp angles of a traditional bay window, bow windows are made up of 4 or more panels of glass that form a gentle curve. This creates a softer, more flowing look, which works well with modern or contemporary style homes in Dallas. The curved design of bow windows offers an even wider view than traditional bay windows, making them an excellent choice for homes with a focus on natural light or outdoor views. They are also ideal for smaller spaces where a traditional bay window might be too bulky. Because the shape of the window extends further outward, bow windows can make rooms feel even more open and welcoming. Bow windows are especially perfect for living rooms, family rooms, or breakfast nooks, where you want to create a cozy and bright area. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, bow windows can also increase the value of your home by offering a more sophisticated and timeless appearance. Box bay windows. Box bay windows are a simpler version of the traditional bay window style. Rather than having 3 distinct sections, a box bay window features a single rectangular window that protrudes out from the wall, creating a box-shaped alcove inside. The side windows are usually set at a smaller angle, creating a more subtle projection than the traditional bay window. This style is particularly popular for smaller homes or for homeowners who want to add more light and space to a small nook or corner. Box bay windows are typically installed in kitchens, study rooms, or bathrooms to create cozy, functional spaces with a bright, airy feel. The boxed design also makes it easier to add seating, shelves, or decorative items to create a functional space while enjoying the view outside. Canted bay windows. A more modern variation of the traditional bay window, canted bay windows feature sharp, angular projections that give the window a more dynamic, geometric appearance. Unlike traditional bay windows, which have softer angles, canted bay windows have greater emphasis on sharp lines and can extend outward at a more dramatic angle. This style is ideal for contemporary or modern homes in Dallas that emphasize clean lines and bold design. Canted bay windows can be paired with sleek materials like metal frames and glass to create a striking contrast between the natural environment and your home's architectural style. This type of bay window is perfect for making a bold statement while still maintaining the functional benefits of the bay window design. Custom bay windows. If you have a unique architectural style or specific design preferences, custom bay windows are an excellent option. Custom bay windows allow homeowners to tailor the size, shape, and style to fit their needs. Whether you prefer a traditional, bow, box, or canted design, custom windows can be made to match the exact measurements of your space and design vision. Choosing a custom bay window offers the freedom to incorporate specific materials, finishes, and features that match the rest of your home's decor. From wood framing for a rustic look to fiberglass or vinyl for a more modern, maintenance-free option, custom bay windows allow you to create a truly unique addition to your home. Benefits of bay windows for Dallas homes. Bay windows, regardless of style, provide a wealth of benefits to Dallas homeowners. These include enhanced natural light. Bay windows allow more sunlight to enter your home, brightening up the space and creating a more cheerful ambiance. Better views. Bay windows project outward, offering an expansive view of your outdoor surroundings. Increased space. Bay windows can create a cozy nook or alcove inside the room, perfect for reading, relaxing, or adding seating. Improved energy efficiency. Many modern bay windows are designed with energy-efficient glass and insulating features that help reduce heating and cooling costs, making them an excellent investment for homeowners looking to save on energy bills. Conclusion. Choosing the right bay window style for your Dallas home. When considering new windows for your Dallas home, bay windows offer a stunning way to bring in more light, space, and style. Whether you choose the classic look of traditional bay windows, the soft elegance of bow windows, or the sleek design of custom options, bay windows are a versatile and functional addition to any room. By enhancing your home's aesthetic, increasing natural light, and improving indoor comfort, bay windows not only offer visual appeal but also practical benefits. If you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, or overall atmosphere, installing bay windows is a smart choice that will bring lasting value and beauty to your home.